Welcome to English with Bill. I'm Bill and I'm going to teach you how to pronounce the English TH sound. There are two TH sounds in English. One with the, very common word, and the other like with or Thursday. Both require you to stick your tongue out, pressed against the teeth, th, and the has a vibration sound. So practice holding it. The pressure builds with the air in your stomach, in your lungs rather. And then the tongue just drops. The pressure builds. It's like a little explosion. The man. You can say it quickly, but the pressure has to build and then release. The man. The second TH sound with or Thursday is the same. The tongue pushes up against the teeth also in teeth, but there's no vibration sound. There's just air that is released. With. Rule number 1. The tongue must be out. The. Not duh, not duh, not tuh, but the. You see, the tongue is out, up, pressed against the teeth. Teeth. There's with. Teeth. Also, this lower lip, the lower lip, you don't use. It's not f, v, it's the. Don't use the lower lip. Let's practice holding the tongue against the teeth with air pressure. The pressure builds. And then you release it. The man. So you can control it. You can control how long you want the TH sound to be. The man. It can be quickly, but there's still a moment of pressure. The man. The man. So practice holding it. The. With. Now the second TH is with air, but there's still the tongue pressed up against the teeth with pressure. With. Thursday. Thursday. The. With Thursday, Thursday. It also helps to say the because that sound doesn't exist in many languages. The pressure builds and the tongue drops. Look, the man. Practice 5 minutes every day because your tongue and brain need to communicate. You need to practice the rhythm and your breath. Breath. And you'll be able to pronounce TH immediately with this, but your bad habits will return, so you have to practice every day. Subscribe and gain access to other free videos on grammar and vocabulary. Thank you. You can also have private English lessons with me over Skype. My contact information is listed below. Thank you.